fog syndrome is a condition characterized by confusion, forgetfulness, and a lack of focus and mental clarity. Factors such as overworking, lack of sleep, stress, and excessive computer use can contribute to brain fog. Imbalanced hormone levels can disrupt the entire system and lead to conditions like obesity, abnormal menstruation, and diabetes mellitus. Brain fog is typically rooted in a lifestyle that promotes hormonal imbalances and is exacerbated by stress. Factors like electromagnetic radiation, stress, lack of sleep, poor diet, toxins, pollution, and chemical substances can contribute to brain fog. Symptoms of brain fog include trouble sleeping, headaches, low energy, impaired cognitive function, mood swings, irritability, forgetfulness, trouble concentrating, and low motivation. In addition to the cognitive symptoms, brain fog syndrome can also lead to other health conditions. These conditions include obesity, abnormal menstruation, and diabetes mellitus. Quality sleep can lead to cognitive impairment, including brain fog. Chronic stress and anxiety can affect cognitive processes, leading to brain fog. An imbalanced diet lacking essential nutrients can impact brain function. Even mild dehydration can cause cognitive impairments, so staying well hydrated is essential for clear thinking. Certain medications, especially those that affect the central nervous system, can cause brain fog as a side effect. Brain fog can be a symptom of underlying medical conditions, such as thyroid disorders, autoimmune diseases, and chronic illnesses like fibromyalgia or chronic fatigue syndrome. By managing stress, getting enough sleep, and taking breaks from excessive computer use, you can reduce brain fog symptoms. Consulting with a healthcare professional can also help identify underlying causes and develop a personalized treatment plan. Remember, addressing brain fog syndrome is essential for optimizing cognitive function and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. To treat brain fog, it's important to make lifestyle modifications such as reducing computer and mobile phone usage, practicing positive thinking, changing your diet, getting enough sleep, exercising regularly, and avoiding alcohol, smoking, and excessive coffee consumption. Supplements that may help alleviate brain fog include fish oil, ginkgo biloba extract, choline bitartrate, ginseng extract, soy lecithin, vitamin C, vitamin A acetate, vitamin E, vitamin B complex, and inositol. By implementing these strategies and incorporating beneficial supplements, you can take steps to overcome brain fog and improve your overall cognitive function and well-being. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more educational videos on natural remedies and health tips.